Welcome to section 5.5b, Basic Probability. Our objective today is I can apply the basic definition of probability. So last night I was thinking to myself that I wanted something to eat. It was late and the lights were off, and I walked to the kitchen and I have a fruit bowl in my kitchen, and I was thinking to myself, what would happen if I were to just reach into the bowl and grab one out at random? So let's see what I got here. I have, let's see, two bananas. Got two bananas over here. I've got an orange. Got one orange. I have a lemon. Ooh, that wouldn't have been very good to bite off in the middle of the night. And I have two apples. Okay, so what's the probability? How do I find the chance that if I just reach in there to my fruit bowl and pull out a fruit and take a bite, that I'll come away with a good experience? So let's see. Ones with a good experience. Well, the bananas have the peel, so that probably wouldn't be a good experience. Oranges have that rind, and that wouldn't taste very good. Lemons, for sure not. Okay, but these apples over here, they'd be pretty good, I think, if I were to just grab one and take a bite out of it. So, probability is the number of favorable outcomes, or the ones that we're looking for, over the total number of outcomes. So, what's the probability that I'll grab a banana? So the probability of me grabbing a banana is there's two bananas over the total number of fruit. Well, there's 6 fruit in my bowl. Okay. The probability of grabbing an orange out, there's one orange out of the 6th fruit, the 6th fruit in the bowl. Okay. I have one lemon. The probability of grabbing a lemon is 1 out of 6. And then the probability of grabbing an apple, there's 2 apples out of the 6 fruit. So to answer my original question, what would the odds be, or what would the probability be that I would be fine just grabbing a random fruit out of the bowl and taking a bite? We can find that that's 2 out of 6. So here's one for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video and try it out on your own. Now that if you had a chance to do that, let's take a look at it together. So in a certain raffle, they sold 100 tickets and placed those tickets in a hat. Then they pulled out one ticket out of the hat at random and give away the prize. Owen bought one ticket. What's the probability that Owen will win the prize? So, there's 100 possible tickets. Owen's grabbing out one of those. So out of all 100 that can be chosen, Owen only owns one of them. So Owen has a 1/100th chance of winning the prize. Okay, here's another one for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video and try it out on your own. Okay, let's do it together now. So, Josh is among 20 people available to sit on a jury. One person will be chosen at random from the 20. Find the probability that Josh will be chosen and convert that fraction to a decimal. So, Josh is one person out of 20 people that can be chosen. Okay, so if I put 1 divided by 20 into my calculator, I'll get 0.05. Or, by the way, if we move the decimal, we can find that this is a 5% chance, by the way. But we're just looking for the decimal, so 0.05. Okay, here's another one for us to try. So, 3 women and 5 men interviewed for a job. One of the candidates will be offered a job. So find the probability that the job is offered to a woman and convert the fraction to a decimal. So how many women do we have? Well, we have 3 women out of, what's our total number? Well, out of 8 people. So 3 women out of 8 people. So now I want to convert that to a decimal. So I'm going to do this thing right here. 3 can go into 8 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. That'll leave me with 2 left over. About 20. Well, 3 can go into 26 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 18. So 2's left over. And I see it will just be caught in this loop forever. Okay, so I want to so 3/8. 3/8. Oh, I put the decimal in the wrong place to begin with. The decimal should be out here. Should be out there. So we have a 0.266 repeating chance that the job will be offered to a woman. Okay, here's one for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video and try it out on your own. Okay, now that you've had a chance to do that, let's do it together. So Jackson has 2 pairs of black socks and 6 pairs of blue socks. He will choose one pair at random to wear tomorrow. What's the probability that Jackson will choose a pair of black socks? So he has 2 pairs of black socks out of the total 8. So that'll be 2/8, or 1/4. Okay, we can simplify that down to 1/4. What's the probability that he'll choose blue socks? Well, we have 6 pairs of blue socks out of the total of 8. And if I simplify that down, I'll get 3/4 chance. Okay, that's it for this video, and have a great day.